How do you install WhatsApp on an iPad? As we can see here, there's no iPad option anywhere, but we're going to install it just the same. And no, we're not going to do it through Google Chrome by opening a WhatsApp web window, because now, officially, iPad has WhatsApp. Why did this happen? Because previously, Apple didn't want to enable WhatsApp for iPad since they didn't see it as necessary. But now we finally have it. How do we go about installing it? Simply, we're going to look for the App Store here on our iPad and open it. And once we're in, we'll tap at the top where it says Games, Apps, Stories, and more. And here, we're going to search directly for WhatsApp and look for it here. Now, there are a lot of versions. For example, there's Multi-Messenger for WhatsApp, Messenger Duo for WhatsApp, and others like these. Don't pay attention to these. They're just versions made by developers because previously, it wasn't possible to install WhatsApp. But now we can do it. We need to look for the one that appears here at the top, tap on it, and make sure that right below the app's name, the developer's name appears and it must say WhatsApp Inc. And here, you just tap Get and wait for it to download. Here, you'll enter your password or use your fingerprint or Face ID, whichever your iPad has, then tap Sign in and install it. And once you've entered your information, it will start installing, as you can see here. And you just tap open and the official version of WhatsApp will load. And basically, the downside is that when you tap continue, you won't be able to sign in directly with a phone number. Instead, you need to already have WhatsApp on another phone, whether it's Android or iPhone, and add this session to your linked devices, scan the code, and then you'll be able to access WhatsApp directly. But for now, we can have WhatsApp directly with the phone number registered here on our iPad. So it's a drawback, but at least we finally have the official version in the App Store.